Hi, hello, folks. This is Arvind connecting from Bangalore for Code Mitra. This session, this particular webinar is going to teach you how to host your website on Google Cloud using Firebase. So this is what we are going to do today. And today's session will be a complete hands-on session, not a theoretical one. Mostly I would say I'm not going to cover any kind of theory in the entire session for the next 1 hour or so. So you can actually host your website probably in just 5 or 10 minutes. But since this is a session where I'm going to show you how to do it, maybe we are going to take some time. Maybe I would say we are going to take 30 to 45 minutes max, maybe. And we are going to launch our website. We are going to host our website. You are going to be able to send that link to your mom, to your dad, to your friends, which will showcase your profile. So basically speaking, you are going to create your own profile, and then you will be able to share that profile probably to your employers, your future employers. So that's what we are going to be doing today. And I'm sure most of you would have seen the poster that we have sent. If not, no problem at all. I'll show you what we are going to do exactly today. So as we were talking about today's session, I know that this particular thing is not, this particular webinar is nothing to do with theory, but I would strongly recommend, in case if you have a notebook and pen, it's going to help you as well as it's going to help us. So please do this. Please go back and take your notebook and pen, come and sit before your laptop or mobile or whatever it is. So the idea again is, this is not going to be a theory session. This is going to be a complete practical session. And in case if you miss any steps in between, that's going to be very tough for you to follow, as well as for me to actually pick it up. So that's the reason why I'm asking you to come up with your notebook and a pen. Now with this, we should be able to start our session. So I'm going to quickly show you what I'm going to do today. In fact, what you guys are going to do today. Are you excited for building something which is like your own profile? That's what we are going to see. Folks, this is the website which you are seeing right now. Now you should be able to build your own profile just like the way that I have built, and you are able to see that here. Cool. Few of my certifications. That's awesome. My contact number, my email ID, my LinkedIn account, my Google, and everything from here. So the idea here is for you to build your own profile online. Now tell me, if I teach you this today, and if you will be able to build your own profile today within 30 minutes or 40 minutes, what can happen? This is a website. This is a website. This is not anything different. This is the website. You share this website to all of us. You can share this website to your recruiter. You can share this link to anyone. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can build your own profile in the form of a website. I'm super excited to do this because I know for sure, in case if you are a fresher, and in case if you are showing me this, when I am coming to you and when I'm going to say you, hey Kunal, you know what Kunal, I'm going to recruit you today. And for that, in case if you say, I'll say, Kunal, please share your resume. And you are telling me, you know what Arvind, I'm going to give you a link. I'll be like, what? A link? Okay, share. And you share a link on my WhatsApp or wherever you want. Or maybe you can ask me to share a QR code, scan a QR code. I do that. and wow, I'm able to see your profile online in my mobile. Of course, what? I'm going to hire you, right? Because I've seen few guys, but I have most of the time I have not seen freshers doing a professional work out there. That means what? For sure, in case if you are going to show a profile like this to a recruiter, of course, yes, he's going to be blown away. Who likes to view PDF? Who likes to download a document? Which recruiter do you think recruiters will keep downloading your Word document? Recruiters will be excited to see your PDF document, which is 1 or 2 pages. No, I don't like that. So what's the easiest way for a recruiter to check a profile? Online website. And this is exactly that you can do today. Let's get started. So I hope most of you will be excited to do this. So without wasting any further time, let's talk about it. This will take probably 30-40 minutes. I want all of you to actually sit, note down, and then follow this. There are two ways of doing this. One, do it along with me. That's going to make chaos. You might not understand things. So please wait, make notes. Probably after that, I'm going to tell you, I'm also going to give you the guide. I'm also going to give you a PDF which you can download step by step and do the same thing that I have done just today. Let's get started. So this includes 5 important steps, folks. Make a note of each and every step. I'm going to tell you one by one. The first one is to download a template. I'm going to give you the link to download the template. Don't worry about it, but download the template. Next is download the Node and NPM. These are the softwares that we are going to use today, and edit the template, edit the web page. That is going to take us some time. Here is where we will learn HTML and CSS. Install Firebase. Firebase is actually from Google's cloud. We are going to install that. And finally, guess what? It's live. Our website is live. Great. So let's download the template now. So make a quick note of this particular link. It's available on the slide. You may choose to quickly make a note of this particular link. I'll give you a couple of seconds. Make a note of this link. bit.ly/386 SIT-YUM. Don't worry guys, we will send you the link. In fact, we are going to send the entire PDF. Don't worry about it. Just listen and understand what I am doing. Click on this particular link and probably it's going to download a zip file. Awesome. I have my downloads folder open and it would have downloaded a zip file. How do I find that? Okay. Yeah, this is the one. This says Miller and it is a zip file. What am I going to do now? Right click and extract it. Quickly make a note of whatever I am saying, folks. These steps are very, very, very important. Even if you are not making a note of the link, that's fine. No problem. Now, what am I going to do? I'm going to extract it just like this. Boom, it's ready. Where that went? I'll click on the name. Yeah, here is where I'm able to find Miller folder. I am able to find the folder again. Let me tell you what I did till now. This was the link that I went. Don't worry, folks. This link we will share it with all of you. Don't worry about the link. Then next, we went on and it got downloaded. And I told you that it got downloaded in my downloads folder. You would have done that 1,000 times. Now, after that, what I did, It got downloaded as miller.zip or something. This is how it was, miller.zip. Then what I did, I right clicked and then I extracted this like this, the third option. I selected the third option and I was able to extract it like this. Awesome. Guess what? Who is this Miller? I don't know him. I don't like to create his profile. So I'm going to rename this folder. Right click, rename. I am renaming the folder to my name. Why would I use somebody else's name? Let's rename it as Arvind space folder. Hit and enter, rename done. Wow, our first step is completed. That's all it is. Download the template and it is ready. Let me open this folder and check what's there in it. Awesome. Assert, license, readme, index. These are the four things that I'm able to find inside these four things. I mean, inside the folder, these are the things I'm able to find. Great. So now let's proceed further. The next step that I want you to understand is to download Node. How do we do that? In order to download Node and NPM, this is what you will have to do. Click on another link. Don't worry, folks. Again, I'm going to send this link in a PDF document. Don't worry about it. The moment you click on this, you will be able to download Node and NPM on your Windows laptop, Linux laptop, or Mac laptop, anything. But for now, I'm going to skip this step because I have already installed Node and NPM. All you will have to do is just click on this link, automatically it will download. Just click enter, just click on this particular icon which got downloaded, click next, and your Node and NPM would have got installed. Don't worry, I'll give you the guide, exactly a PDF what you need to do in order to follow, in order to execute this entire project. I'll give you that. Next, edit the template just like this. Now just what you'll have to do is make a quick note, folks. I am back to the downloads folder and I'm just clicking on this. Awesome. I already have the template with me. It is same for Ubuntu, it is same for Mac, it is same for everything. We have the document which is ready. It's a PDF document which we will be sending you. Don't worry about it. Great. I have this template ready, but I don't know who is this fellow. I am John Miller. I don't know him. So I'm going to remove, I'm going to change all of this. How do I do that? I am back to my downloads folder. And this time I'm not going to open this. Carefully listen to this. I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to say open with notepad. I'm sure most of your computers will have notepad and I'm going to click on this. The moment I click on this, it opens a notepad. I don't like I am John Miller. Instead of that, I'm going to say I am Arvind. For that, I'm going to right click, copy this. I'll just select right click, copy this and open the notepad. Find I am John Miller there. Find this. Oh my God, here is where that fellow is. I am John Miller. Remove this and type in your name. This is HTML code. If you're not able to understand, that's okay, no problem at all. All you will have to do is just follow the steps that I'm telling you now. Minimize this and come here, give it a refresh. Oh, awesome, that's great. I just changed John Miller to my name and it is cool. What do you think about it? Awesome, right? Okay, you guys know what? I don't like this photo. It is not me. Who is this? I don't like this folk. I don't like this fellow. What am I going to do now? I'm going to change this fellow to my photo. For that, I need really a good photo. I need my photo first, and that has to be a real good one. Maybe this one sounds really good. I'll bring in this photo and somehow I'll have to put this photo there. Hey, yeah, I have this photo. I have my photo there. Okay. I have stored it in, desktop. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to quickly open my downloads folder. And you know what, guys? I need to find where that photo is. Okay. Where that photo, how do I find? Maybe let me check what's there in assets. Cool. Let me make this as extra large. Oh, that's good. That's what I wanted. Maybe what I did, guys, I'll again repeat it. First thing what I did is I'm in the same folder and I opened index.html and I changed few things. Now I'm going to assets. In assets, I saw there is something called as img. Let me click on this. Oh yeah, awesome. This is that guy. Now I found him. What should I do? I should replace this guy with my photo. First, let me paste that photo. Hey, I'm looking better than him. Okay, fine, fair enough. I'm going to change this name to background 2 because I don't need this photo. Maybe you can delete him if you don't like him. I don't care. But what I want is I want my photo to be named as background. I did that. Let me minimize this and check how my website is going to look now. Let's refresh. Oh, that's awesome. What do you think about this, guys? I got my photo. What do you think about this step? My photo is done. My name is done. What happened? 2 minutes. We just spent 2 minutes and the whole website is ready, Arvind. Come on. I was not expecting this much fast we will complete. Okay, there are few things that we can do again. How do we contact? How do we let them know that this is my contact number? Cool. Let's copy this the same way that I did for changing my name. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Open Notepad. You guys, I opened it in Notepad. Okay, that's awesome. I found, and now I'm going to search this. Hey, yeah, you guys are right. I found this, and I don't like this fellow. I don't know who is this. I don't know his email ID. I'll delete it, and I'm going to change this to codemitra@ethnos.com. By the way, that's our email ID, folks. If you want us to reach us anytime, no problem, reach us in this email ID. Now I'll go back to the website and let me refresh and check. Refresh. Oh, that's awesome. That's great. I'm going to bring in my phone number as well. I opened, I could directly find the phone number. I don't know whose phone number is this. I'm going to erase this 7815 space 095 space 095. Save it, minimize this and refresh. Boom. You have got everything. Change with your mail ID, change with your phone number, and everything is done. Awesome. Now, guys, tell me now, will you be able to change this one by yourself? Can you change this part by your own self without my help? Most I can do it easily, man. You just taught me how to do that. Copy this, put it on the notepad, find it, whatever you want, you write. No problem at all. Simple. But have you guys seen this one? This is from my laptop. Can you guys understand the URL? This is in my laptop. I can't just use this one in my laptop. I'll have to change that. I'll have to give the access to recruiters. What am I going to do? Okay, cool. I will have to host it. But how? I'm sure you guys know how to do this. Click Windows, start Run. or command prompt. I will open the command prompt and I could see this, right? So open your command prompt just like this. I'm sure most of you will be able to do this. Most of you would have done that already. Maybe not now, but most of you would have done this. So after that, what I'm going to do, the moment I have opened my command prompt, let me open it again. Let me show you how to do that. Click on this and type command prompt. Here it is. Click on this. You will have a command prompt like this. So properties, you don't have to do this. I'm just making the text a little bigger so that everyone can see. This is how it looks. Don't get scared. No problem. Now first, can you guys quickly tell me where did I create that Aravind space profile? I have created that folder somewhere, Aravind space profile. Where did I create that? Did I create it in desktop? Did I create it in downloads? Where did I create it? I created it somewhere, I guess. I think downloads. Great. So let's go to downloads. How do I do? CD space downloads. Hit enter. I'm in downloads. Cool. What was my folder name? CD space Aravind space profile. Great. Hit enter. Note down that double quotes here and here. That shows that there is a space here. How to do this on Ubuntu? Same way. You will have a PDF. Don't worry about it. Now, first thing that I will have to do is I will have to install Firebase. I will tell you the command how to do that. Make a note of it. npm install space -g space Firebase -tools. This is the command to install Firebase. You don't have to mug this up. I will give you the PDF. Don't worry. I'll give you the guide, entire guide. No issues at all. Erase this. Not needed. I have done this already. So first thing that you will have to do is simple, guys. You will have to log in, correct? The first moment you do something, you go to the website, you will have to log in. I'm going to log in too. Where am I going to log in? I'm going to log in to Firebase. The command for that is Firebase space login. Hit enter. You guys will get the PDF right now. Okay, wait for some time. You will have the PDF. Hit yes. It is telling allow Firebase to collect something. I don't care. I'm going to say yes. And immediately after that, I get this window. I'm going to say use my official account. You might not have. You can use your Google account itself, your Gmail account. No problem at all. I'll say allow. The moment I said allow, you are logged into Firebase command line interface. You can immediately close this window and continue using CLI. What is CLI? Commands are same for the Mac users, commands are same for the Ubuntu users, commands are same for the Windows user. Don't worry about that. It is same for all. I'll close this and he is asking me to open the command line again. Hey, awesome, successfully logged in. Great. Now I'm going to initialize the Firebase. This is the second step. I hope you guys are making a note of each and every step. Just let me know in case if you are able to follow till now. What did I type? I just typed Firebase space login. Do is I'm just going to init. I'm going to use an initialization command which is called as Firebase space init. Just hit enter. It's going to take time. This one is going to take some time. Just follow the process that I'm going to say you. Press yes. Are you ready to proceed? Of course, yes, man. I'm dying to proceed. Hit yes. What are we going to do today? Today, we are going to host our website. Today, we are going to host our website. Can you guys find hosting there on the screen? The screen is visible. Which option gives you hosting sites? Which option is telling you deploy Firebase hosting sites? Which option is telling you that? Can you quickly tell me which option it is? Yes, that you are right. That's the fourth option. Come to the fourth option, hit a space. You will be able to see that it got selected. Hit enter. It is asking me to select an option. Use an arrow key and please select the option. What's the option that I'm going to select? Create a new project. I don't have any existing project. I'm going to create a new project. How do I do that? I came to create a new project, hit enter. Awesome. It's asking me to enter a project ID. Okay. And it has to be unique. You cannot modify this afterwards. That means I'm going to just type something which is very, very unique. I'm going to say Aravind and I'm going to say Raghavan and I'm going to say maybe 098. Cool. I think nobody would have created any Firebase like this. I will hit an enter. Great. What would you like to call your project as? Hit enter. I don't want to give any name to my project. That's fine. Wait for some time and it is going to ask you a couple of questions from now. All these things are available in the PDF itself, folks. You will be able to follow the entire PDF. If you follow that, you will get the same output as I am getting. Don't worry about it. Great. It is asking me a couple of questions. What do you want to use your public directory as? I'm going to say a dot. I want dot. Dot means current folder. Dot means current folder. I'm hitting an enter and it is asking me something. Single app. I don't understand this. So for now, I'm going to just hit enter. No. Hit N and hit no. Now he's asking me another question already existing. Do you want to override? I said no. For everything, no, no, no. My job is done. The last step. The last step is Firebase deploy. This is the last step. Let's hit enter and let's, fingers crossed, folks. Please cross your finger as well and pray for me. The code should work, right? Okay, let's wait. Few more time, few seconds, finalizing, releasing. Okay, let's give it a shot. Yes, done. Okay, hosting is ready. How do I check this? Copy this maybe. Folks, I will give you the PDF, folks. Wait for it. In some time, I will tell you the link where you can download the entire PDF. Don't worry. I copied this link. I am opening this link on my browser. Wait for some time. Yes, I got my website. What do you think about this? Simple. We didn't even spend 30 minutes. This is great. Who thought launching a website is this easy? Who thought learning Google Cloud is this easy? Nowhere we made a mistake. It's just 2 or 3 times and we got it right. 3 steps, 4 steps, we got it right. Somebody out there is asking me, hey Arvind, it is showing Miller identity. Come on, oh my God. Sorry folks, I just missed. Who likes Miller identity? Okay, what do? I don't like Miller identity. I want to have Aravind identity. Let's do that. How do we do that? Find Miller hyphen identity. Oh yeah, it's here. I don't like this. What do? Change this to Aravind. Save it. Saved it. Now the moment you change something, you got to again deploy it. How do we again deploy it? Go back and this time no need to do everything again. Just change the title and just say Firebase deploy. Hit enter. That's it. That's all you will have to do. Only for the first time you will have to log into Firebase. Only for the first time you got to do Firebase init. But after that, nothing. Only Firebase deploy. Only Firebase deploy. That's it. Done. Now let's go back to our website and refresh it. That is super cool. You can see Aravind hyphen identity there. Just before you, I have come up with my entire profile. Tell me one thing, how many of you are going to do this today? If I share the PDF, how many of you are going to do this today? I edited this. I installed Firebase. I didn't do that, but I just did after that. And then Firebase login, Firebase init, and Firebase deploy. These are the three things. And after that, do you guys want the guide on how to host websites on Google Cloud? Wait for that sometime. I will definitely share this. I will send you the link. Don't worry, guys. We will do that. Stay safe. Until then, it's a big bye and heartful thanks